today is 11 June 2020 and I am taking class 4 English 2. So we were doing lesson 2 singular noun and plural noun, right? So we were learning different methods in which we change a singular noun to plural noun. So far we have learned that in singular noun, if we add s or es at the end, right, we make it, we turn it into plural. Alright, then there are certain words that ends with y, right, which changes in its plural form with I, and with that we add es, right. Similarly, if the end of a singular noun ends with letters like f or fb, it changes to v in plural form, right, and with that we add es to make it plural. Alright, then we have learned that there are certain words, right, where we don't need to add es, s, or like whose letters that doesn't change, right. What we all need to do is change the vowels in these nouns to make it plural, right. For example, tooth, this is the singular noun. To turn it into plural, we have to write teeth. In here what we did was we changed the vowels, okay, in the middle, and we have turned it into plural. Similarly, foot becomes feet in plural form. Here also we have changed the vowels to make it plural, right. And we have done exercise number 8. Now let's go back to other kind of rules with which we can change from singular to plural, okay, right. There are certain nouns, right, at the end we add en to make it plural, right. For example, child. Child is singular. When we say child, that means one. When we add en with it, it is children, right, meaning plural. There are 50 children, right, that is what? Plural, but there is only one child. If it's only the child, that is singular, but if we write together with en, that becomes what? Plural, right. For then, ox. Ox is singular. With that, if we add en, oxen, right, this is what? Plural. Alright. Then, other than this kind of nouns where we need to add en, there are certain nouns which does not change its form when we turn them from singular to noun, plural noun. Okay. For example, deer. Deer does not change its form from singular to plural. Deer, it's same in plural also. In singular deer, in plural also we can write deer. Then sheep, also the same. Singular also sheep, plural also sheep. Then fish. In case of fish, if there are different types of fish, right? If it's same kind of fish, then the singular and plural is the same, right? But if the fishes are different kind, then we will add es. It becomes fishes. This is also correct, but this fish is also correct. Alright. Then cod. This word, this kind of word, in plural sense also, this is the same spelling. Alright. Now go back to page 8. Here what we have to do is, we have to write the correct plural form given of the nouns given in the bracket, right. So there are nouns given in the bracket, okay, and all we have to do what? We have to change, right, the correct plural form. That is page 8, B number, right. So B number 1. The noun in the bracket is sheep. All the sheep were in the pen, right? Pen. So here, sheep will remain the same, right? We have learned before this spelling in singular and in plural. The spelling is always the same. Then number 2 we have, don't clench your tooth, right? So in the bracket we have tooth. So we have to write the plural form of tooth, right? And we have learned that in this kind of words, what do we need to do? We need to change the vowel. So plural form of tooth will become teeth, right? Do not clench your teeth. Then number 3 we have deer in the bracket, and we have learned that these kind of nouns, they do not change their form. So deer will remain deer. Plural form of deer is also this same deer. Okay. The number 4, salmon are found in the Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. So this is talking about fish, right? So salmon is a fish, right? So what did we learn? In same kind of in different kind of fish we add es, but if the fish is of same kind, right, then what do? We do not change it. So salmon will remain the same, salmon. Okay. Number 5, we have her child love jam biscuit, right? So child is singular and the plural form, what do we add? We add en. Children. Child will become children. This is the plural form of child. Okay. Then we have, how many ox did you see near the field? So ox, right? We have to here add what? En. So ox become oxen. This is the plural form of ox. Okay. Then number 7, the birds fed all their offspring, right? So offspring will remain the same. Okay. Offspring. This is the same, singular and plural. Then we spotted 2 cod. So we have learned cod. The spelling in singular and plural will always remain the same. So cod in plural form will also remain the same, right? So number 8, plural form of cod is cod. Same. Then there are many fish of the same species in the aquarium. So here it is said same species, right? And we have learned that if it's different from different kind of fish, then only we add es. Since here it is written that it is the same species, then the fish of the plural form will remain the same, right? So fish will be fish. Then we have number 10, we saw trout that had red spots on their body. So trout also will remain the same. Okay. So number 10 we have finished. The rest we will do in the next class. Thank you.